How long does a treehouse last? At Treehouse Life, our treehouses are built with one clear intention: to perform for decades. These are not short-term structures or novelty builds. They are engineered, considered, and constructed to perform for generations, giving you complete confidence from the very beginning. Every decision we make is focused on longevity, from how the structure connects to the trees, to how it allows for natural movement and growth over time, to the materials we select for strength, durability, and resilience in changing conditions. Nothing is left to chance. Each treehouse is designed specifically for its environment, ensuring it remains stable, secure, and reliable year after year. And with the right care, supported by our team and long-term maintenance guidance, these structures continue to perform exactly as intended: safe, dependable, enduring. Because when you invest in a treehouse like this, you're not just building for today, you're building for generations.